Yo, Secret 66. What? What did you say? What did you say? Hey, are you Sonic the Hedgehog? Aw, you're so cute. I'm a yes fox, but I like a fox. My name is Tails the Fox. You can call me Tails the Yet Fox. My friend is Sonic. He is the hedgehog, not a hedgehog. Okay, bye. Okay, let's go, Sonic.